In this video, we're going to look at how to get the values for the trapezium rule on your graphical calculator. So this is asking us to use 4 strips. So as with any trapezium rule question, the first thing we need to work out is our h, our step. So from the formula booklet, we're going to do the upper limit, take away the lower limit, divided by 4, and this gives us our step of 0.5. Now on the calculator, what we want to go is the table function. So on my calculator, that's number 7. And it should look something like this. If there's any functions already in there, we just want to delete those, we don't want them. So we're going to type in our function is x squared, remember that we're always using this as our x button, and then the square root of 3x minus 1. If you're doing this on the blue 9750, make sure the 3x minus 1 is in a bracket, that's really important. We typed it in, press execute. And then we need to go to F5, which is set, because we need to tell it what our limits are. So in this question, our lower limit is 1, so our start will be 1. Our end is our upper limit, so that will be 3. And our step will be 0.5. You must check these really carefully. If we now go into table, we should have listed all the values that we need. So if you do want to draw these out in a table, you'd have your x0 would be 1, and your y0 would be the 1.4142. Now it's really important that you've got enough accuracy. The calculator doesn't round here, it just cuts it off, so you need to highlight it so you get the long version at the bottom. This question wants the answer to 4 decimal places, so our working out must be to 5. So I'd want my y0 to be 1.41421. If you're not sure, always more is better than less. So we're going to want our x values and our y values. It might be that you decide just to sub these straight into the formula, which is absolutely fine. So my x values are 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3, and if I keep pressing down I know I'm at the end because I'm at my upper limit. And I'm going to do the same with my y values, so make sure you've got the right ones together. So this is 4.20936. So notice here it just ended in the 3, whereas if I round it I'd need it to be rounded to 4. The next one is 8.94427, 15.9344, and I want 5 decimal places, so remember that's going to round up to 4. And my last one is 25.4554. So these are what are going to go into your formula. I say you might just choose to put them straight in. So my integral is approximately equal to 1/2 times the height, which is 0.5, and then we do y0 and yn, so 1.41421 plus the last one, and then plus 2 lots of the ones in between. Make sure you don't repeat any of them. And to get your answer, you want to type that exactly in as it is and let the calculator work it out for you. You will have to go back to menu and go to the normal mode to find your final solution. So remember, I've got 2 brackets at the end, so I must close them both. And my answer is then 21.261547, and I'm rounding it to 4 decimal places, so I've got 2615.